Take a ride in the 2025 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass.
The Honda Accord Hybrid offers a blend of efficiency and luxury with a refined, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and a smooth hybrid powertrain. It provides a comfortable and eco-friendly driving experience without sacrificing performance or style.
This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.